Good morning, and happy Easter, all miraculous women. I am Diletta Varlese. As I said, I will hold this mini workshop series for a few days dedicated to enhance your divine full power, which is the miraculous power of creation. And I decided to do it on the Easter day because it's a day in the year that esoterically is very close to being very intimate with our divine inner being, and is a moment, and a planetary moment for the Catholic and Christianity, of course, but it's energetically leading up to a very little sense of separation from God, love, universe, light, however you want to call it. So this is a very good day to reconnect with who you truly are, your infinite consciousness, divine and unconditional love being in nature. Therefore, I wanted to start today. In the very beginning, I wanted to have one hour workshop for each day, today, tomorrow, and the day after. But then I perceived that it might be too much as information and as energy transmission. Therefore, I will split it, and we will probably go through the whole week because let's say that the residual energy of the Easter day, we can feel it through the whole week, and we can work with that energy, especially because this year specifically, it's a very combined energy of masculine and feminine. So thank you very much for joining me, and we will start soon with a little bit of background and a little bit of context. Of course, you can review this class many times, and as many times as you want. So hold on, because this is just the introduction, and I'll be back to you in a few seconds, because it's easier if we split each and single theme in mini videos rather than one long one, because there will be a theory part and a practice part. Okay, be back soon.